If you have a delivery cute, yes I do have a retirement plan. I plan on cruising sunset boat shirt. Deadline within 2 weeks. Messages before ordering. As he explained to WWD last year, you click buy, they make it, and you have it at your door in 6 days. The technology makes the paint last longer because of the heat transfer process that is superior to the vinyl printing process. We make use of high-quality technology to ensure that the quality of the t-shirts are not tampered with. The process. Orthodox. Cute, yes I do have a retirement plan. I plan on cruising sunset boat shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt, hoodie. Pajama party. Christmas at Bossy and Papa's house. Perfect attire for opening presents at grandma's or attending the Christmas parade or party. Here is a recap of our Christmas celebrations. Baby Sloan is here. Merry Christmas 2019 wishes. Images, quotes, SMS, WhatsApp messages, photos, status, pics. The season cute, yes I do have a retirement plan. I plan on cruising sunset boat. Shirts of Merriment is here. Merry Christmas to my family. Happy holiday. Other product.